On a recent trip down to see our good mate Jason Goodyear from Ruahine Tanning and Taxidermy, he had an animal there for us, and we decided we'd put together this little video of how to head skin an animal. He does a good job, Jason, and if you are looking to get some work done, we'd highly recommend him. He's based in the Hawkham area in Manawatu, so we'll put his links to his webpage, etc. at the end of this video. For now, enjoy.
So basically you want to do a Y from both coronets, and once you've gone up and done the Y, slowly start peeling the skin back like that, and just go straight to the bone. And I always use a scalpel knife. So you can just get these from your just from the vets in town, the blades. And you'll see the ear butt there. So you just want to follow that around. And just slowly work your way around underneath the coronets, just peeling it away. A lot of people use screwdrivers in here, but I'll just use the old scalpel. See if he's in behind the back of the eye socket there. That's the back of the eye socket there. I normally stop when I get to there, and then start on this side. This is probably your slowest part in your head skimming. Just getting around the top of these. So that's the first antler cleared. Flip it over there. Let's turn that off. This is fair. And you want to do the same on the opposite side.
You'd certainly only sort of recommend this for people that are pretty confident though, wouldn't you?
Yeah. If you're not really confident doing it yourself, just you haven't got any mates that can do it, just try and bang it in the freezer.
Yep.
Or just drop it off to your taxidermist, and they'll be more than happy to do it.
I suppose the biggest thing is just to do a good caping job and allow.
Yeah, well, when you get a skin that's been caped off properly, that's you're sort of on a win already.
Yeah.
It's been done properly, and there's no holes in it that you have to sew up, and you'll get a better result at the end. It certainly helps anyway.
Yep.
So this is probably the slowest bit, just getting around these coronets. So it's working your way back around to that back of that eye socket, like I've done with the opposite side. And when I get to the eyes, I'm normally chucking your blade on.
Yep.
Your scalpel blade on, because it's, the old eyes are pretty important. You don't really want to get a nick around the back of the eye or anything. So I'm just holding my fingers sort of like that. Just
Begin to feel as you're cutting through.
Yeah, and just pulling as I go around, kind of like pulling away all the all that bloody tissue. And that's the eye there. So you want to take your hand out and you come around this side. Get in the corner of the eye there, like that. And you've got the gland in front of the eyes, and that goes in quite deep, so basically just following the bone, hard up against the bone.
So if guys shoot one during a trip and it's quite early on, what do you sort of recommend to do with the skin, salted and?
If you're doing a fly-in trip,
Yep.
you definitely want to, especially if it's more than sort of 4 days, I suppose. Definitely want to take some salt in, and you definitely want to do this with the animal. Cape it all out, take it off the face, and just salt it both sides, especially probably along here as well. Because if the skin's going to sit, normally it's along the back of the neck because it's quite thick. But if it's only just like if you're just doing an overnighter, I just recommend just to bloody drop it off to your taxidermist on the way home and get them sorted out. Once you've got it to the taxidermist, you're sorted really. So this is probably the something that you really want to learn to do.
Yeah.
Maybe just practicing on small stags that you shoot. Just practice taking the old head skin off. Doesn't matter if you make a mistake.
Yeah. No one wants to wreck their trophy, do they?
Nah. Or you might have been hunting for bloody 15 years and you finally got a stag that's worth mounting. So you want to sort of take care and get that skin off and take it to your taxidermist as soon as you can. So I'm just going into that second gland there again. And it doesn't really matter if you try not to, but if you do, put a nick in the old skin in it, it's real easy to sew it up and hide it. So you don't think you've buggered up the skin just because you've cut a couple of holes in it. So before I go too further now, this will make it easier at the end.
Yep.
Just run your knife sort of just above the top jaw here. Just go into there, same on that side. And same with the bottom one, just under the teeth.
Just to loosen it up a bit.
Yeah, it just makes it easier at the end, just when you're peeling it off. Yeah, that's all I do, and just sort of clear the old bottom lip a bit. So yeah, just basically under the neck now, just go along and slowly skin it off. So you'll get to the cheek here. You want to put a cut right through that. It'll take it take it to the teeth. So cut through there, and then you just want to start following the jaw around, and you'll meet up with the cuts that I just done before. I'll show you a bit better on the other side. Get rid of that bit of meat there. Yeah, I see just bloody this little cut through there. Follow that bloody bottom jaw. So we'll take the skin off the bottom jaw first. And when I done them cuts before, that's what I done that for, just to make it easier, make it a bit easier to take that off. You can sort of see the cuts I've done around here. Yeah, it just makes it a bit easier. Yep. Flip her over. Probably the other important thing that you got to do when you're head skinning is you'll get to the end of the nose here, and you can feel that's all bone, and then it sort of turns into cartilage at the end here.
Yep.
And I always sort of eye it up through the ivory. You can see the ivory there. So you just go straight down towards the ivory.
Yep.
And then just follow that bloody bone down. It should look like that.
Very good.
So go and start slaying them.
Yeah. Oh, well, thank you, Jason.
No worries, mate.
All done. We're determining that trophy for a lifetime.
And that's how your old cake should look like. This hunter's easy to sock them off, and that's probably how I'd recommend to do it. Is if you start trying to explain to people how to put your cuts in behind the legs and that, it's quite easy to make a mistake. But
yep.
If you just tell people just to sock them off, you can't go wrong.
Cool. Oh, well, just be sure to check out Jason. He's on Facebook. He's got a website. We'll put the link on the end of this video, but thanks for watching and hope you've learnt something. So cheers, Jason.
Cheers, mate.
Jump online for all the information on Jason's website, www.ruahine-taxidermy.co.nz. He's based just outside Holcombe in the Manawatu region. He's also on Facebook. Check him out there as well under Ruahine Taxidermy. He does a top-notch job. We highly recommend him. He's a good, honest Kiwi bugger. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed.